Today's tutorial is all about making Adobe Acrobat your default application for opening PDF files. If you're tired of your PDFs randomly opening in browsers, third-party readers, or apps that don't give you the tools you need, I'll show you a quick and reliable way to ensure every PDF launches straight into Adobe Acrobat from now on. By the end of this video, you'll have full control over how your PDF documents open, so you can take advantage of Acrobat's features every single time. Let's dive right into the process. The method we're using is straightforward, and it's something that anyone can do in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through each step carefully and share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what's happening and why. First, start by locating any PDF file on your computer, and it doesn't matter which one. Pick a homework assignment, a bank statement, a menu, whatever you've got handy as long as it's a PDF file icon. Now, go ahead and right-click on that file. If you're using a laptop with a trackpad, you can usually do this by tapping with 2 fingers at once if you don't have a dedicated right mouse button. Right-clicking opens up the context menu, and you'll see a list of options pop up. This menu lets you perform all sorts of actions, but for today, we're looking for Properties. Click on Properties. This will open up a new window, usually with several tabs at the top. The window might look a little intimidating if you haven't explored it before, but don't worry. You won't be changing anything complicated. Properties simply display the file's details, and one of those details is which program will open it by default. Now, inside this dialog box, look for the section labeled Opens With. It might be about halfway down and you'll see the current app that opens your PDF files by default. Maybe it's a browser like Microsoft Edge or some other viewer. Next to that, you should see a button that says Change or Change. Go ahead and click that button. This is a super important step. Clicking Change gives you a list of recommended applications and sometimes even lets you browse for another app you've installed. In the list, you should see Adobe Acrobat DC or Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. These are the 2 most common Acrobat options. If you've got both installed and aren't sure which to pick, Adobe Acrobat DC is the full-featured editor, whereas Reader DC is more for viewing only. Pick the one that fits how you use PDFs. Select Adobe Acrobat DC or Reader DC and then click OK to confirm your selection. You might need to click Apply or OK again in the Properties window to lock in your choice. That's it. Now, all your PDFs should automatically open in Adobe Acrobat whenever you double-click one, saving you from the frustration of mismatched apps. And don't worry if you don't see Acrobat in the initial selection list. Sometimes you might need to hit More Apps or Browse and find it manually. This part might take a few moments, but stay patient and you'll get there. Changing your default PDF app can make a huge difference in day-to-day work. From here on, anytime you open a form, a worksheet, or an ebook, you'll get the power of Acrobat's editing tools, annotation features, and cleaner viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have additional questions. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.